Hi, Double GDP community. This is Saurabh. Welcome to the Sprint Updates. Let me quickly share my screen. So, the sprint I'm usually work with the payment stuff. The first group which I worked is the receipts part, where I have to write the graphical query to view the receipts, also changing the logic to dynamically calculating the balance, and adding a receipt number when adding a deposit. And we changed this logic a bit. So let me quickly demo that. It's just going to the plans. So here, if we click to this plan, view the receipt for this transaction. So here we uses two terminologies by prepending. One is the SI, that is for the system generated receipt, and one is the MI for manual generated receipt. And also we calculated the balance on the runtime dynamically. So these two changes are done. This is the system generated receipt, and let me open one more, which is the manual generated receipt. So both is done. Uh, the next thing is the statement part. Write a GraphQL query to fetch the plan payment statement. So let me go to the user. Okay, now here on the plan, we can click on the view statement. This is the statement. As you can see, those machine generated and system generated receipts number. If the amount is matching the installment amount, then you have installment one, and otherwise you have installment zero, and rest of the amount should go to the unallocated one. So this is done. The next ticket is write a mutation to revert a transaction. If I go to a user and if I revert this 15 transaction, then this 15 should be added here, and this row should go. Let me revert is this should be disabled now. This 15 one, it's gone, and this 15 has been added. So this is done. Next thing is keep user and account in sync. The and also one more ticket is error while editing the prospective lines. So this user is a prospective line, and if I go and edit this user profile, so the issue is when we were editing there, it was not reflecting here in the property details in the account one. So let me add a test here, submit it. Okay, here it updated. Let me refresh it. So this covered both the tickets, that it is updating a prospective client and also updating uh, at both the places. Here it goes. It is updated. Now the message one, that message should show the recent first. We should have to revert the order of messages. So let's say if I type a message here, the latest one is REC, and if I'll say latest, I click send. It's sending. It should be at the top now. Yeah, here it is. So this is done, and I also worked on importing the script and reloading the data, because we updated, or I would say changed the approach uh, to the payments, and we introduced some new tables and migrated some old data to the new one. So we have written a script on the backend. So this ticket is more regarding to that. So yeah, these are the major updates in mine. Thank you, everyone.